we cleaned up underneath the hood a little bit. We stripped out a bunch of wires from underneath the dash. We're going to try to get this a little better going forward. Okay, we've had an eventful day. Didn't get the turn signals fixed. Got to send them back. That's fine. We did get the fuel line fixed. Swapped the air breather. The crankcase breather was completely clogged up. We got a new one of those. Did a little dress up just to kind of clean things up a little bit. But overall, it's been a pretty productive day. I'm pretty satisfied with what I've got done in the few hours I had. Anyway, if you like what you see, keep track and subscribe. And we'll continue on the CST10 in the next episode. Thanks now. Y'all have a good day.